Let's try flying this thing.
I believe you have to turn it on.
It is on. I don't know what to do next.
Of course you don't, derp.
It's got an arrow here.
Yes, signaling get out.
Something's beeped.
Your mum.
Oh! Oh! You can fly.
So can I. Can't fly it, can you, Gipsmacked?
Whoa!
God damn it, Gipsmacked. My dead grandmother can fly better. Yeah, well done.
The propeller flew off.
You loser! Maybe you should do it outside, dickhead. God, you lose more propellers than I lose sperm.
I didn't know ours had sperm.
They don't. Pretty soon you'll be able to walk.
Ah! Sliced my hand.
Hey, Gipsmacked, you're worse than my 2-year-old left ball.